Now, since we are into a year into COVID-19, it's very important to understand what is happening at the community level. Sewage surveillance is a way to understand the community as a whole without going for individual level testing. So the sample essentially gives a unbiased idea of what is the situation in the society. So what we basically do is we collect water samples from sewage treatment plants, we filter the samples, then concentrate and use that for RNA isolation and RT-PCR for detection of SARS-CoV-2. Once this is done, if we know the volume of the sewage treatment plant or the number of people contributing to the plant, then we can actually estimate the number of infected individuals in that society. So the sewage surveillance gives a whole or unbiased idea of the real scenario that is happening in real time without going for individual tests. So we have done this kind of analysis taking Hyderabad as a model. We have estimated that in the sampling window of just 1 month in August last year, around 1 to 6% of population of Hyderabad was already infected with SARS-CoV-2. Then we extended this kind of analysis to other cities in India like Mumbai, Nagpur, Allahabad, Chennai, Pondicherry. So for these cities, we collected samples over a period of 2 months at every week. So the kind of information that we get from this kind of study is we can understand the trend of the disease in real time.
So sewage surveillance is a very convenient and inexpensive method to assess the level of infection in a city. It tells without any intervention of the individuals. It just collects sample from the sewage system and estimates what fraction of people in that area, the catchment area of that sewage system may be infected. And if it is done on a regular basis, we can see the trend of up or down in during a certain period of time, and have the strategies based on that. While the individual testing is a separate activity in which we can identify individual and quarantine them, but this tells the overall load of the virus and enables civic authorities to make their strategies and be prepared for what is coming, because we will have the global picture of the level of infection. And this technology is not only cheap and simple, it is also quite accurate, because we recently showed that sero survey data and sewage survey data matched very well. So that means it's very reliable, and several countries are using it to know the level of infection in the population.